So hello guys, today we're going to open up some new monster trucks. So I already have Roger Dodger, which is a different version. She has a gold engine, doesn't move. The wheels are very fast. Look at the orange here. Look, those are twisting around, but I don't want these. We also have El Loco from Monster Jam. Has the sharp horns on its head, see? And it's a pickup truck. So it says El Loco. Zoom in. I don't think I can zoom in. That's fine. And this is Demo Derby, the strongest monster truck. You can smash up anything like this. Like that. And see how that face mark has two cross X's? Means it's dead. That's strange. Look at that roll over wheel. He's a dragon, Lord Toxic. I usually call him that, but his real name is just Dragon. Here's a new version of fish. Amazing. We also have Evolution number 1 and 5 alarm. Go, go, go. Ooh, did it hit the screen? Oh. Here's Zombie Rex. Roar, roar. I'm a zombie and I'm a T-Rex. Here's Sharky. Roar. I've got a lot more to store with the Mega Rex. And Leopard Shark and Tiger Shark and a lot more. And Shark Reach. I don't really have a Shark Reach. Well, I also have a Megalodon Brian. You can call him Blizzard Ratcher, which is fine. And that's what monster trucks have. Let's see. Type in which one's your favorite.